This is Mega Hydrangea stencil from Altenew. This stencil measures 6 inch by 6 inch, perfect for any A2 size cards, journal pages, scrapbook layouts, or mixed media arts. This stencil allows you to create a stunning floral background on any of your projects. You can easily add patterns using Altenew's crystal inks or metallic shimmer ink sprays. Once done using this stencil, simply clean it using baby wipes, stem cleaner, or mild soap and water. Store them flat and away from direct heat or sunlight. All of our stencils are high quality, manufactured right here in the USA. To find out more about the Mega Hydrangea stencil and its featured projects, please visit us at altenew.com.